traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Caroline Alizan here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, January 25th, 2012, and as usual, we are getting to do some fun stuff in here with technical analysis. We're going to analyze our Q's daily chart. How exciting is that? Oh, I'm so excited about this because I love technical analysis. That's really fun. Chart is like a story to read. I could talk to you about this particular chart for one day. Yeah, but that's funny. But anyways, yeah, let's get started. Look what we see happening here today. Wow, what a beautiful breakout through that upper area of resistance. Actually, the high of January 23rd, which was at the 60.21. We are taking it here, and we're making a new high today of 60.58. Wow, that's a big number. Okay, so what I want you to do here is put a little line over that high of 60.58 and watch it really closely tomorrow, because if we ever break through that high of 60.58, continue higher, and also close above it, we could continue higher. All right, so that's why this low area of resistance, the 60.58 mark, is that significant. So put your little trend line right here and watch it carefully. All right, and then the other thing that I see here happen was a beautiful test off of that lower area support that we talked about for quite a while, the 59.83 mark. We pulled back down to it, tested it here, and then we beautifully bounced off of it, closing the day higher above that high of January 23rd, which was again the 60.21. That is significant. Okay, we are still staying pretty nicely above the 8 moving average, which means that we are still bullish according to the 8 moving average, because we're still above it. And we're now staying pretty far away from the 8 moving average, which means that things are looking bullish. But a little correction is much needed at this point. But we need to play what we see, not what we think, right? Hopefully, you know that phrase, by now. So keep that in mind. Play what you see, not what you think and what others think. That's the little key here. But anyways, yeah, put your little trend line over the 60.58. Watch it carefully tomorrow, as well as that lower area of support, the 59.83, and also the 8 moving average, which is here in green, and it's at the 59.49. So those areas of support and resistance are key areas for you to pay close attention to, all right? Yeah, so check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is getting flat, which means that it's getting itself ready for a major move one way or the other, but it's lower, much lower than the previous high here. See that? Yeah, so pay close attention to that little guy and look where it's going, okay? If it's gonna go down and continue to the downside, and then we see an up move on the Q's chart, something is wrong, definitely. So we need to see a pretty nice confirmation. We need to, if we were about to go higher on the Q's chart, on our chart, then we'll have to see the MACD rising. So that would be a nice confirmation. That's what I'm talking about. And then the volume. Wow, that is significant volume. We're way above the average. We have that first spike in volume, so pay close attention to everything that's happening in here, okay? That's what I want you to do. Again, all areas of support and resistance, and then also watch the MACD really closely to look for confirmation. All right, hope it helps you a little. If you have any questions or comments, just feel free to post them right below the video, and I'll do my best to help you answer those. All right, so enjoy your day, evening, and talk to you again tomorrow.